Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new to this channel and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button, guys. Like, share, make your comments, and also, guys, follow the Telegram channel. I will put the link to the Telegram in the comment section. So, in order for you not to miss out on any updates, all you just need to do is click on that subscribe button and click on the bell notification. Now, let's see on this on our AUDUSD, we can see the trend on our AUDUSD. We are very much in an uptrend mode. This is the current trend, by the way. The current trend says we are in an uptrend mode. But if you have to zoom it out, the full bigger picture, which is the main trend, it says we are in a downtrend mode. So because we would want to predict what markets will be doing on Monday, we need to make use of our current trend. And the current trend says we are in an uptrend move. So we are having a series of higher high, higher low, especially when you go to your 4 hour time frame. You can clearly see it, right? This is the series of higher high and an higher low. So market has been trending to the upside, right? Very much strong bullish move on our old USD. Now market has now dropped, which is trend to downside, right? It has been trending to the downside for a while, due to some correction wave. And now market is now rejecting here multiple times. We've seen market is failing, dropping here, failing here. So let's see market will drop one more time before it eventually push up. So our next focus and our bias on odd USD will be a bullish move. So we expect it to drop a little before it eventually start giving us a buy setup that we push up. Remember, only take the buy once you get the buy setup. If you do not find the buy, do not take the buy. If you do not find the buy setup, do not take the buy. Only take it once you get the buy setup. Now, could there be any changes to this movement? Absolutely yes. But if there will be any changes, I'll make sure I let you guys know. All you just need to do is click on that subscribe button, like, share, and so you will not miss out on next updates.